Just figured I'd do a real quick pocket dump. What I normally carry in my jeans. Fixed blade of some sort. I've been carrying the Benchmade bug out. Got the Gordon Skinner. Burberry multi-tool. Pretty awesome little thing. And Olight O-Pen in copper. Which you can tell I haven't been using it when I can. Don't use a pen much, but that's pretty much what goes on my pocket. Got my Hank. Depending on what day it is, I'll carry a forest tank somewhere else too. Usually this pocket. And my wallet. Every now and then I'll carry my Altoids kit. But it's going light. So here's my pocket dump. What I usually carry when I'm wearing my jeans. How's it going, y'all? And please check the link. And if you can support Jason Brown's family, have a raffle going on the. Go check out Said Stevie on Instagram. Be a raffle going. If you can do anything else to support Jason Brown's family, be greatly appreciated. Hanks, shirts, all kinds of stuff are coming out for it. All the proceeds will go to Jason Brown's family. And y'all have a good one.